Stop. Don't tell me you introduced yourself again with just, my name is Ali. I am from Pakistan. I like pizza.
Maybe? That's the only introduction I know.
Oh no. That's not an introduction. That's a boring robot script.
Okay, fine. So, how do I sound interesting then?
Great question. Today we'll learn how to talk about yourself in English like a real confident human being, not like Siri.
Ouch. That hurt, but true.
Okay, let's start. When someone says, tell me about yourself, most people panic. They go, I am alive?
Oh my god, yes. That's literally me.
So here's the trick. You don't have to say everything, just three parts. Who you are, what you do, and something interesting or personal.
Okay, sounds simple.
Example, hi, I'm Sarah. I work as a graphic designer and I'm obsessed with coffee and movies.
Ooh, that sounds alive. Not robotic at all.
Exactly, you add a little personality. Now, let's practice. I'll ask you, tell me about yourself. Ready?
Oh no. Here we go. Okay. My name is Sana. I'm from Pakistan. I like pizza.
You just did it again.
I can't help it.
Okay. Try like this. I'm Sana. I'm a student and I love meeting new people.
I'm Sana. I'm a student and I love meeting new people. Ooh, that sounds so much better.
See? Simple but natural. Now, when you talk about hobbies, don't just say, I like music. Say why. Example, I love music because it helps me relax after a busy day.
Ooh, that's smart. It sounds more like a conversation, not an exam.
Exactly. English is a feeling, not a formula.
Wow, you sound like a philosopher today.
Oh, maybe I am. But it's true. When you speak from the heart, people listen.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Thank you. And if you make a mistake, just laugh and move on. Nobody's perfect, even native speakers.
That's true. Sometimes they say gonna, wanna, kinda, and we panic.
Exactly. English isn't about perfection, it's about connection. Okay, quick review. Repeat after me. Number one, hi, I'm your name. I'm from your country. Number two, I work as a job or I study subject. Number three, I love hobby because reason. Number four, I'm not great at funny thing, but I'm learning.
Done. That's my new intro for life.
Perfect. All right, everyone. Your challenge today, record yourself talking about who you are in English. Just 30 seconds. Then listen to it and see how natural you sound.
And if you sound boring, don't worry, we got you.
Exactly. Next episode, we'll talk about how to make friends in English without being awkward.
Ooh, that's gonna be fun and maybe embarrassing.
Don't worry, we'll keep it friendly. See you soon and remember, speak with heart, not fear.